take flight through the quiet whispers of the night. We hold on to faith, hands intertwined in your love's embrace.